Today we're going to make 3 cups chicken. So you might be wondering, what are the 3 cups? They are black sesame oil, soy sauce, and rice wine. But the portion doesn't exactly have to be 1 cup, 1 cup, and 1 cup. You can use more or less based on your own serving size. And now let's get started with this super delicious recipe. In a pot over high heat, place in the avocado oil. You could also use other high smoking point cooking oil. And chicken drumettes. You could also cut them into smaller pieces. Stir fry until golden brown, 5 minutes. Remove and set aside. In the same pot, over medium-low heat, add the black sesame oil and ginger, and stir fry until golden brown. Black sesame oil and ginger are the souls of this dish. And here's a fun fact. Unlike white sesame oil, which is a type of low smoking point oil, black sesame oil has a relatively high smoking point at about 410 degrees Fahrenheit. That's why we mostly use black sesame oil for stir fry and white sesame oil for salad. Then put in the garlic and stir fry until lightly brown. Add the sugar and stir fry until completely melted and lightly brown. Return the chicken. Add the soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine, and mix together. Now over high heat, place in the water and dark soy sauce, and mix well. Cover the lid, bring it to a boil, and turn to medium heat. Cook for 25 minutes, and stir a few times in between. Uncover the lid over high heat. Place in the red finger hot pepper, or any other red chili peppers. And reduce the sauce for about 5 minutes. Preheat a clay pot over medium heat. Transfer the chicken into the clay pot. Add the basil and cover the lid. And we're gonna pour 2 tablespoons of rice wine over the lid. And let it cook for about 2 minutes. It will make the whole dish so much more aromatic, you'll see. I really enjoy our 3 cups chicken today. It's just so delicious. It's really hearty, at the same time it's very refreshing. You're gonna try it and you'll know what I'm talking about. It's just so good. So I hope that you enjoyed today's episode, and if you like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye for now!